All right, let's take a look at our rotation. So the first thing you're asked to do is give each rule for the counterclockwise rotation. This can be found in your notes. So you want to just copy it from the table in the notes where we're writing the rule. And this is what we really need to follow. And this is why I have you write them here, because you have to look back at these in order to know what these coordinates are. So it's really important that you have them written right there, because that's what we're going to go off of. So basically, all I did for these was I looked at each point and then I followed the rule. So for example, this is a 180-degree rotation. So I look at my rule, which says that x and y will become opposite signs. So I simply took each point and changed the sign. So just to show you once more, so 4, -1 becomes -4, +1, which you can see right there. And then I did the same thing for the others. So 8, -2 becomes -8, +2. So opposite signs. I'm going to write that right here just to make a little note. Opposite signs. That's what happened for a 180-degree rotation. And that's about the origin. So that's why we're rotating it about the origin. And then the same for the last point. 1, -8 becomes -1, 8. And that is a 180-degree rotation. And that's what it should look like. So check your graph and see how yours looks. So let's look at number 8. 8 is a 90-degree rotation. So I have to look back at my rule, which says to flip my x and y and then make y negative. So flip, and then y, we'll say opposite. So that means for a point like M, which is -7, -2, we're going to switch them. And you can see what these switched points look like. So -7, -2, we flip it, it becomes -2, -7, and then 2 becomes positive. So we change the y value to its opposite sign, which in this case is positive. So you can see what all of those points look like and what the graph looks like as well.